So I finished shaving my face and my brows. I realized, y'all, I almost shaved this whole, like, from right here to right here was about to be no brow. Hey you guys, this is Chrissy Conda here for you guys that are new and for you guys that have been here. What's up? So today's video is gonna be kind of like a clean with me, organize with me. Hold on. If this is like your second, third, fourth, or fifth video y'all watching from me and you're not subscribed,
bombastic side eye.
One day you will, and when you're ready to join the crew, I'll be welcoming you guys with open arms. But until then, just keep on watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Hey y'all, so obviously yesterday did not go as planned. I literally just did like 2-3 things and then I went to sleep. I want to catch her off guard.
Hey vlog, Now let me stop. Hi guys. I currently just got back from work. Tina decided to like put me on the vlog for some odd reason without letting me know, but she's lucky that I look decent. Oh my god, guys. I'm gonna show that to you on Sunday, okay? I have something to show you guys. Bye.
So it's like today, we're just gonna clean and get ready for bed. And that's it. And we forget we gotta feed ourselves. You gotta feed yourself unless you want to be starving at night, you know? Living is mad hard, guys. Like, I just want to be a potato. Can I just be a potato? I already look like a freaking Mr. Potato anyways. We about to... Who we going? Alrighty, y'all, so I just wanted to chit-chat it up with y'all real quick. Since this is such a small desk, it really gets like this very easily. So it's like I really want to like move some things. I want to get like a tray for right here, like a mirror tray to put all of my like daily skincares and hygiene stuff. Because I love the minimum crisp look, like, but yeah. And finally... I'm trying to move. I'm literally going to move this whole bed this side. The area is just not doing it for me. It's too narrow. I feel claustrophobic. And then I'm going to do my laundry, which is piling up back there along with my cousin. You see that? We're going to organize that. So that's going to be it for the room.
She said she no gon' love again, need to fuck him up. I tell her, baby, not again, make her fix you up. Jesus is love. You go get no be synthetic, you. So baby, make me know the fear, I go hold you down. Kind of love me, you go get you. Be better love you, no go regret you. Come on, baby, give me that thing, you know. Come on, baby, give me your heart, you know. Better loving you, go get you. I promise that you no go regret you. Come on, baby, give me that thing, you know. So come on.
It is 10:52. You guys can never see this. I'm gonna change it one day, but this is like mode. So I finished. All that I'm doing that's left is just this bed, and I'm about to do it right after I eat. I'm gonna do this bed, shower, and I'm TKOing. Okay. I love the new change. I have so much walking space. Like, you see the difference. Like, I had like that little corner to maneuver, and I was like, no.